Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn IELTS listening. The test has 4 sections, each with 10 questions, totaling 40 questions. You'll hear a variety of audio, from conversations to academic lectures. Remember, you only get to hear each recording once, so active listening is crucial. Pay close attention to instructions and question types for each part. A key strategy is to use the time before the audio starts to read the questions. Try to predict the type of information you need, like a name, number, or date. As you listen, focus on keywords and their synonyms, as the exact words might not be used. Don't get stuck on one question. Move on if you miss something. Consistent practice is vital. Use official IELTS materials to familiarize yourself with the test format and question types. Expand your vocabulary, particularly academic terms, as these often appear in sections 3 and 4. Also, expose yourself to various English accents, like British, American, and Australian, to improve your comprehension. Remember, you'll have 10 minutes at the end to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Double-check your spelling and grammar during this time. Staying calm and focused is crucial. If you miss a question, don't panic, just concentrate on the next one. For more study resources and other great deals, check the description below. And for a fantastic reading experience, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.